Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to add filters on your image on Pixel phone. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to add the filters. Here you can see the option edit on the bottom side. Tap on the edit option to add the filters. Here you can see suggestions, crop, tools. Scroll towards right to reach the filters option. Here you can see so many filters. Choose the required filter you want to add on your image. Choose any required filter for your image and tap on the save copy option on the bottom right corner to save the image into your device. By doing this, you can edit your own images using your Pixel smartphone. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.